All right, gang, we're getting ready for the flight of Viper again. This will be the largest motor I've flown it on. Viper's flying on an F32. Not doing a cluster this time around, but we're just gonna see how she goes.
Okay, moving over to pad 36. John Boyson from Harrisonville, Missouri, flying a rocket called Viper. Scratch-built rocket flying on an F32. John's rocket's going in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
A little higher than normal. Oh, I'm really hoping for a parachute.
Anytime now.
No, oh. The little rocket that just won't quit. Oh, I buried a fin. So this fin was underground. Man, this rocket is... Alright, it's time for an upgrade. Let's get ready for Viper 2. This rocket is, I think, ready for retirement.